आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
5 cards are drawn one by one with replacement from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability that first, all 5 cards are diamonds, second, only 3 cards are diamonds, and third, none is a diamond. Let us consider the random variable x to be number of diamonds. So x can take values as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 because we need to draw 5 cards. Also, probability of a diamond from deck of 52 cards is 13 by 52, that is 1 by 4. So value of Q failure will be 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. Now our first part is all 5 cards are diamonds. So P x is equals to 5 is equals to NCR P to the power n minus R and Q to P to the power R and Q to the power n minus R, which is 1 by 4 to the power 5, that is 1024. Our second part is 3 cards are diamonds. X is equals to 3, that is NCR P to the power R and Q to the power n minus R. That gives 5C3 P to the power 3 Q to the power 2. That is 5C3 becomes 10 and 1 to the power 1 by 4 to the power 3, 3 by 4 to the power 2 gives 90 upon 1024, that is 45 upon 512. And our third part is no diamonds, that is Px is equals to 0, which is NCR P to the power R and Q to the power n minus R, which is 3 by 4 to the power 5, that gives 243 upon 1024.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।